afternoon, everybody. Another Land Cruiser, almost done and dusted. 2026 2.8 79 series. You can see we did a snorkel with induction 8. The side sequential clear indicators, spacer and pro fender shock in front and rear, clear indicators, Aussie style lights, beautiful ARB Summit 2 bumper, Osram spotlights, 4x4 equipped 12,000 pound winch, spotlights or bumper, clear lights, Aussie lights, and then also we did a full hunting rig. You can see it looks amazing. Shout out to Steel Contours for the good work. And we did a bull 4,500 pound synthetic winch, and we did a Gobi X spare wheel carrier and rear bumper. Tomorrow we'll just do the smoked rear lights. So all still wrapped up for a client who's coming to collect on Monday. And then we've got a foldable ladder to get up to the hunting rig. And then we also did a fridge inside. Tomorrow we're doing the GR steering wheel with cruise control. And we also did a full JBL Stage 2 system. So yeah, give us a call if you need your Land Cruiser upgraded. We'll do a final video tomorrow once all of the upgrades are done.